bird likes you.
Oh no, it's asking for food. Can I touch? No, you can't. I can't. My bad. I'm sorry.
They are adorable. Oh my god, very cute.
Now the bird likes you. Once it goes to
It's going, Phoebe, give me your whole slice.
What if I touch it?
I don't know.
be able to.
I think that bird is stupid. Alright, have a pizza. Come here. Ah.
Wait. Interesting way to eat a pizza.
Sharp. Here you go, little guy. You get one too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have all those.
That should be a fun surprise.
Just watching the bird eat.
Give me a second.
I have faith.
No break.
Come here. Wah!
Where is it? Underneath me?
No, it's by Kara's feet.
What's that?
It's pretty.
They're brave little babies.
I think it's the alpha.
Looks like that was Alpha. It woke up here.
Oh, the bigger doesn't mean it's alpha. Thank you.
Listen, I love the crust the most.
Father.
Oh, really?
Listen, try feeding them crust.
Very fresh face. Show.
Father, it's coming closer. Father. It became really close.
No. I've got birds laying on me, dude.
Share. I am.
Magician's here. Sit down there. Look, up there. See? Over there, see?
Me.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to show you the unicorn stuff. See? Look,
Where
there.
is it? That's him, the little one.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Told you.
Well, what about the other ones? What do you see?
I see a trumpet. Oh, I see a piano.
Yeah, bongos, accordion.